In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Android app settings that will stop your Android phone from spying on you, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. If you're a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that in this channel, we just dive right into the content without wasting your valuable time, okay? Locate the settings app, okay? Then scroll down. Depending on your phone, you'll want to look for this privacy icon here, then just tap on it. Then click on Permission Manager. The first setting that you are interested in is camera. Click on it. Now in camera here, make sure that no app is allowed and restricted access. Only allow the access when using the app. For instance here, TikTok is only allowed to use my app when I'm using TikTok, okay? But don't allow the permissions when you are not using the app, because these apps can record your camera secretly and share with third parties, and you don't want such kind of a thing, okay? Then click on the arrow back button, okay? Now, our next setting here is location. Here, ensure that no single application is allowed your location access without your permission or without your consent. Only make sure that the app is using your location when you are using the app, okay? Some apps like Maps normally access your location even while you are not using them, okay? You can see allow all the time and ask every time, or allow only while using the app. You must make sure that you only allow that permission when using the app, so that they cannot share your location data with other advertisers, okay? Now our next setting here, we are going to look for body sensor, okay? Very important. Body sensor normally detects your mood and vital signs. By doing this, they can share with social media apps like Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube. And you don't want such kind of a thing. Make sure that you don't allow the apps to access the data of your body sensor at any given point. Just click on the arrow back button. Now we are going to our most important settings. Here you want to be very keen and pay attention fully, so you don't make any mistake. Follow every single step the way I will show you, okay? Click on the arrow back button. Now click on activity controls. Just click on the arrow to the right. I believe you can see the touches on my phone, so you don't make any mistake on your hand. The first thing you will see is web and app activity. You want to ensure this is turned off the way I've done it here. Turn it off, okay? So that Google cannot be keeping your web and app activity, so that they share with other third-party apps, okay? Our next step here is timeline. Very, very important. Timeline is used to track your location. Maybe you've moved from one location, maybe Arizona to Texas. Google will be keeping this information and popping you with relevant ads. You don't want that at all, okay? Then YouTube history, you can also turn this off, but it will depend on your preference. Thank you.